All parties Hurriyat conference has said that peace and occupation cannot coexist and stressed that the resolution of the Kashmir dispute is imperative for the peace and development in the South Asian region. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, talking to Kashmir Media Service in Srinagar, urged India to understand the ground realities, shun the rigidity and confrontation, and find the ways and the means to resolve the Kashmir dispute. National Conference member of the Parliament Agharullah Mehdi has raised concerns in the Indian Parliament over the forcible confiscation of the Kashmiris' agricultural land and the orchards under the pretext of the railway construction in occupied Kashmir. Mehdi said our orchards and the farmlands sustaining families for the decades are being seized for the railway we never agreed to. How is this development when it tramples our rights? Advisor on the Kashmir affairs to Jamaat-e-Islami Pakistan, Abdul Rashid Turabi has criticized India's illegal actions in occupied Kashmir since August 2019, aimed at changing the demography of the territory, including the land seizures and dismissal of the Kashmiri Muslim employees from the government jobs. Addressing in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, Turabi briefed the attendees on the latest situation in the occupied Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has taken a strong exception to the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remarks on Kashmir, terming them an attempt to promote a fake narrative to mislead the global community. In a statement issued in Srinagar today, the DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal said that the Indian Premier's interview with the US podcaster was full of the controversies and belied the ground realities in the region. Contrary to the Modi-led Indian government's all is well mantra, after the revocation of Article 370 in 2019, scores of the casual workers protested in the Ganderbal to press for their demands. The labourers from the Sindh Forest Division staged a protest outside the Divisional Forest Officer's office in the town.